Hey guys, in this video I'll walk you through setting up your art conductor maps in Dorico. We're going to use a Spitfire Violins library as our example, but what you see here applies to pretty much every other sample library we support. As you've probably noticed, Art Conductor gives you an expression map, and on top of that, there's a Dorico library for some instruments. Let me break down the difference for you. The expression map contains all the articulations and tells Dorico exactly how to control and switch the instrument. The connection between your score and the map happens through playing techniques and playback techniques, and those are part of the Dorico library file we provide. So when you add something like a marcato mark to your score, that marking gets connected through a playback technique to the expression map, which then triggers the map to send the right MIDI event to your plugin instrument. Now that might sound a little daunting, but don't worry, we've already taken care of all that for you. In some simple cases, the expression map is all you need. But once you want to use custom playing techniques, you'll need the Dorico library file as well. So I'm going to split this into two parts. First, let's load an expression map. Head over to the expression map editor in the library menu. Click on Import Expression Map, select what you need, and hit OK. Then switch to the Play page and assign your new map to the instrument. That's it. Now your expression map is controlling the instrument. Loading a Dorico library works similarly. Go to the library manager in the library menu, then drag your Dorico PBT lib file onto the Drop Dorico project file here area. Next, click on the import status icon next to Collections until you see a green arrow pointing towards Collections. When you scroll down, you'll see green arrows next to expression maps, music symbols, playback techniques, and playing techniques, among others. Select, for instance, playing techniques, and Dorico will show you every technique that's about to be added to your project. When you're ready, click Apply and then Close. You have now imported everything you need. Assign the new expression map to the instrument. Switch back to Right, and you'll see that new playing techniques have been added to the strings section. These correspond perfectly with the techniques defined in your expression map. So now you know how to get Art Conductor maps working in your own projects. Before I wrap up, I want to quickly touch on customization. Dorico is incredibly deep, and even though we've spent a lot of time fine-tuning our maps, there will definitely be situations where altering the settings might work better for your workflow. Here's a typical example: whether a playback technique is set as an attribute or direction. Our maps default to attributes, which means when you create a score marking, it'll affect only the specific group of notes you assign it to. The idea here is to give you the most detailed control possible. But if you prefer a more broad strokes approach, you can always open the playback technique editor and change a technique to directions. This way, your marking will affect the entire playback moving forward. I hope this setup guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching.